Welcome. Today, we are going through a quick tour of the Truflo fan software selection tool. The tool is located on our website at phillipsandtemro.com and selecting Truflo fan selection software at the top of the page. On the login page, there are three options. If you have already registered, select Login. Selecting Continue as Guest will give you limited access to the software features. Selecting Register gives you full access to the software features, including the My Projects tab, exporting data, and requesting 3D models. To get full access, select Register and create an account. The contact information you provide will not be sold or given to third parties. Once you have logged into the software selection tool, there are three main sections: the page header, fan specifications, and the viewable data section that shows the fan specifications in various formats such as charts, tabular data, sound data, notes, and resonance. The page header includes a link back to the Phillips and Temro homepage. Select the General Inquiry option to send a question or inquiry to a qualified Truflo technician. Your account information can be accessed here, next to the Logout button. Switch between metric and imperial measurements here. To the far left, you have the fan specification area that contains export options and individual tabs for Search, My Projects, and Lookup. The Search tab is utilized for specific application requirements you enter. The My Projects tab is the location you can save different fan specifications, and the Lookup tab is utilized to search product performance within the database. The Search tab is based on the application requirements you enter. Under Target Performance, you can utilize a standard or max power search. Using standard search, enter the desired airflow and static pressure. If max power search is selected, the software will identify options that do not exceed the target power. Speed can be entered for any, exact, or a range. You can identify fan material and installation information. Diameter can be set as an exact size or range. The tip clearance can be specified as a dimension or percentage. Mounting clearance is the diameter of the space you require at the center of your fan to clear your mount. This option can be left at 0. Air density can be set as standard, define, or define altitude and temperature. Standard density is defined as the industry standard measured at 20 Celsius at 0 elevation. Define density allows you to enter the exact air density for your specific application. Define altitude and temperature will calculate the air density for you. Select Search to sort the list of fans that fit the specifications entered. You can save numerous fan specifications under the My Projects tab. This provides convenient access to all of your saved fan specifications during product development and for future reference. Projects can be saved as individual or multiple fan specifications under one project name. To open the specifications, click Select. When you have completed making changes, select Save to copy over the current file or Save As to create a new file. The Lookup tab allows you to search specific product performance within the software database. The fastest way to utilize this selection is to select Installation and Material and click on Fan List. This will show a list of production fans available. You can then narrow the search by selecting additional parameters under Lookup. It also gives you the functionality of looking up previously generated part numbers by selecting the Lookup Using Part Number button, entering the part number, and selecting Lookup. If you don't remember the entire part number, you can replace alpha and numerical characters with a hash or number symbol. The Chart View tab automatically is displayed on your screen. The red dot represents the performance target based on the volume and pressure if entered. The charted line is the fan performance curve displayed based on selected fan size and speed. Multiple fans can be selected and viewed together within the Chart View tab. You can also see additional parameters such as system curve, power, efficiency, noise, and Basic Curve family can be displayed. The About tab is a summary review that contains the selection information. The tabular data displays the information that generates graphs and can be exported. The Sound Data tab shows power, pressure, and noise frequency distribution within a wind tunnel application. The Notes include test procedure notations. The Resonance chart displays the natural frequency of the fan. If a chart does not appear, you can request the data by selecting General Inquiry at the top of the page. Once you have reviewed the fan performance and made any additional tweaks, you can add fan mounting details under the Chart tab and by selecting Mounting Details. You can select direction of airflow, flange, or hub adapter options for fan mounting requirements. To save the fan and mounting configuration, select the Get Part Number button. This generates an 18-character part number that specifies the Truflo configuration you have selected. This part number is used to generate your 3D model. A 3D model in IGS format will be provided by selecting the Request 3D Model button. You will receive an email confirmation of your 3D model request and a follow-up email when the model is available for download. For convenient data transfer during the product development, the Tabular Data section can be downloaded in multiple formats such as an Excel spreadsheet, PDF, or Cooley format. To request a quote, select the Quotation Request button provided. Complete the required information and you will be contacted by a sales manager to discuss your inquiry. Thank you for walking through the Truflo software selection tool. If you have any additional questions or if you want to be contacted by a qualified Truflo technician, select General Inquiry at the top of the page.